Good morning, everybody. We are here. We are ready to go, and we are 37 degrees. It's cloudy outside. It's gray outside. Everybody wants to be inside right now. I don't understand why my hair sometimes looks wetter than other times. It looks wet right now, and I didn't do anything different to it at all. But it looks wet. Yeah, I don't know what's going on with this hair. We got Honorarium Schiller first in the chat. Honorarium Schiller. We got next level Honorarium No Toast, Nick F. Good morning to you, Nick F. And a happy new year wow, man. This is the last trading day of the year. Nick F coming in here and saying happy new year. Shoot, man. This is the last trading day of the year, right? Yeah. I didn't even know that. Well, I'm going to tell all you guys Happy New Year in the afternoon live stream. This one shall be normal. Nick F, good morning and Happy New Year to you as well. Honorarium No Toast Kenneth, Dark Bro Moji, Gary, Dark Bro Honorarium Moji, Honorarium Next Level Geoped, Gary, Old Rounder No Toast, Gary, No Toast Kombu, Gorilla, No Label Kombu, Gary, Dark Bro Gary, Old Rounder. All of you guys, so glad to have you in here right now. Let's check the market out. Oh, snap. That's not the market. That's usually Dex tools, right? Not what we want to see anyway. We want to see the market. We got AMC in the top left-hand side of the screen sitting at $6.10 per share. It is down 1.77% today. Shiba Inu coin down 2% today to 1038 points per coin. GameStop down 2. Oh, I thought it was 2.38. I thought both Shib and GameStop were down 238, but no, that's at 1038. Down 2.38% of the day today. GameStop sitting at 1764. Bitcoin is down 1.44, 1.47% on the day. 42,000 flat on Bitcoin here. Having a tough morning of profit taking and I'm sure tax loss harvesting. You've got the NASDAQ sitting 0.70% lower. AMC 169 lower. You got GameStop 238 lower. Dogecoin 161 lower. Ethereum 217 lower. Shiba Inu coin 212 lower. 158 lower on Bitcoin. The SPY 0.51 lower. QQQ 0.64 lower. Molinado sitting at $14.89 right now, up 5.81%. Sundial up 0.30%. Netflix down 1.45%. Highcraft Mining getting ripped down 8.76%. MPW down 3.07%. Tesla down 1.44%. Amazon down 0.65%. 85%, sorry. And Apple is down 0.68%. Yeah, guys, I don't know. If there's no real reason we got such declines today, I would imagine it's end-of-year profit-taking and end-of-year tax loss harvesting. People closing out their positions at the end of the year right here so that once tax time comes, they can say, I lost this much money, take it out of my taxes, or I gained this much money, closing those positions out. And simplifying their taxes or padding their taxes any way they wish by closing out those positions. Kenneth says, good morning, Clay. Well, good morning to you, Kenneth. Kombu is gift enabled. Just saying. Yes, he does. But will he grab a green name? Nobody knows. Freaking AI Brad Garlinghouse always trying to scam me with a YouTube ad. Old rounder, man. I don't know what these AI clowns are doing these days, but I don't like it. Hey, bro. It's what now? It's wet from too much goop. What is wet from too much goop? I don't even know what's wet from too much goop now. Being the 4 p.m. will be your last live for the new year. How about we get a 2-hour show? You'll have 2 hours worth of shows today, Gary. You will have 2 hours worth of shows today. That is true. Moji! Thank you very much for the green name. Who goes to? It goes to Plain Old Dave. Plain Dave with a green name from Moji. Too slow to Kenneth. To Kombu. Too slow to Kenneth and Kombu, since they both got gray names right there. Moji, man, thank you very much for that green name. Plain Dave grabbing that green name right there. I like it. Moji. Hopefully Plain Dave is in here to say thank you to Moji as well, as I know all of you guys will be saying thank you to Moji as well. Something ain't right with Dex Tools. Just made a $100 buy, and it's like the price went down, but there were no sells. Interesting, Dark Bro. Interesting. Man. Dark Bro, you know why that might be, though, man? You know why that might be? I have not looked at BNB today, but if you made $100 sell, okay, and it's looking at your liquidity pool, you put $100 in, but the culmination, Binance coin or BNB may have dropped by an accumulated total of over $100, right? So you understand? So it's like a fraction. Your liquidity pool determining the price there. Your liquidity pool is the amount of the value of BNB as the denominator and the amount of honorarium tokens that are still left in that liquidity pool. You may have pumped up an extra $100 worth of BNB into that liquidity pool there, taking out a few honorarium tokens, but because you guys are starting to get a decent sized liquidity pool now, the drop in price, if BNB is dropping by $2, $3, $4, $10, we'll look at it in a second here. The $10 per coin that Binance is dropping would affect the overall price of honorarium as well, because that price is determined by the amount of BNB versus honorarium in that liquidity pool. So that could be what's causing it. I don't know if that's what's causing it or not, but to me that would make sense on a day like today where prices are getting ripped, dude. You got Bitcoin going from 43 down to 41.8 right here. Shib dropping from 1080 1070 earlier this morning down to 1030 right now. We could take a look at BNB and see where it's at, man. Let's see here. Picture of cartoon dog. Kenneth, a little goofy there, right? I like it. Bro, you were saying your hair. Oh, yeah, but it's no more goop than normal though. Like that's the thing. It's no more goop than normal. And no different goop. I got some different goop for Christmas, but I haven't used that yet because I still got the old goop left. So it's no different goop and no different than normal goop or anything there. So I really don't know what's causing the wet look there. Maybe my water softener's working right or something, and I got soft water. My hair is extremely moist right now. I don't know what the deal is, guys, but something's going on. But thank you very much, because I was wondering what you were talking about, Gary. Thank you very much for explaining it to me. All the regulars with gray names. Kombu, next level, Kenneth, these gray boys, man, these gray boys, 2 hours between 12 and 4. You are correct, Ken, bro, you are correct. Forgot about that, you're right, yeah, Doug, bro, dips when we should be rips. Clay one fart smella, one smart fella. Funny thing is, next level, I've never heard that in my life, but I like that so much that I might begin to use that. I'm not going to quote you on it every time I use it, because I don't know if you're the one that created that. But I actually like that right there. Clay's one fart smella. One smart fella. I like it, dude. I like it. Next level. Very, very good. Any news on Shiba Doge, Clay? I got no news on it, but Kenneth, we can take a look at it in a second here. Gary! Thank you very much. I don't know why I threw you out of my mouth there, Gary, but thank you very much for the super chat. Happy New Year to the bros. And a drink. I gotta be careful with these computer monitors, dude. I do stuff like that and this water goes everywhere. I guess it's not terrible if you get some water on the computer screen there, but... Thank you very much, Gary, for the super chat. Absolutely appreciate it. And the authorized hydration, man. J-Bones, how you feeling, man? How you feeling? Let me tell you guys this, right? All right? I don't know if... Hopefully you guys do. I don't know if you do or not. But, same way that you guys, I'm just gonna say it, dude. J-Bones is sick. We got some people in here that are sick. Praying for the guys that are sick, right? My niece, dude. My niece is sick right now. She had to go to the emergency room, not breathing very well. So if you guys would say a prayer for her too, just do it, man. I don't know what's going on. I don't know if people are getting pneumonia right now. But, dude, when you're that little and you can't even tell your mom and dad that there's something wrong, but, you go to the doctor and your pulse ox is down in the 80s and you're not breathing right, and they send you to the emergency room via ambulance, dude, it makes Uncle Clay a little uneasy. So just make sure that you guys keep her in your prayers today, because I know she'll be fine, but it ain't fun having to worry about your niece, and I'm sure that my family's worried about her as well, so just keep her in your prayers as well, guys. It'll be all good. Let's see. Clearbro, check out Alf. It's a layer 1. Just got listed on MEXC this morning. We gotta check them all out now. Kombu, if I forget. We got Shiba Doge, we got BNB, and we got Alf that we need to look at. Never heard your pretty fart smell. No, I have never heard that, Kenneth. I've never heard that at all, man. I don't know what's going on. Let's see. Hey, Happy New Year to you as well, Gary. Next level, thank you. Happy end to 2023. It is a very happy end to 2023. Getting better, man. Thanks for asking. J-Bones. Good deal, man. Good deal. RSV's terrible right now. Dude, I think everything's terrible right now, right? My nephew, he had strep throat a couple weeks ago. Like, now she's going to the hospital, not even the doctor, ER. People got the C word right now. Dude, everybody's getting hit left and right, dude. Just getting uppercutted and everything, man. Thank you very much, Dark Bro. Thank you very much, Richard. Absolutely appreciate that. Yeah, Kenneth, man, I knew a lot of people that were getting sick, too. Not only guys from the live stream over the holidays, but people in the family. So definitely some weird bugs going on and stuff like that. But, yeah, dude, nobody ever wants to see their little kid go to the emergency room, so just keep that in you guys' mind there. Let's take a look at first BNB. We're not going to take a long look at this one here. I just want to see if this is possibly what's affecting Dark Bro's liquidity pool here. Where are we at? Yeah, Dark, man. A 6% decline is a pretty heavy decline. I don't exactly know how much BNB you have in the liquidity pool right now. I think it's like $10,000, $11,000 worth, right? Well, $11,000 worth with a 6% decline. I mean, that would be a $700 decline. So it would be a $700 decline in the liquidity pool, which I imagine your $100 input is not going to offset the $700 decline. So, Dark Bro, it would make sense to me that if you had $11,000 in the liquidity pool, a 6% decline would not be offset by the $100 that you put in. So that would make sense. I don't know if it's the reason or not, but it would make sense with BNB falling as heavy as it is right now. It has a coiled Chinese dragon. What does? Dude, Gary, I don't know if I miss some of your chats or what, dude. When I come in reading somebody's like fart smeller over to a coiled Chinese dragon, I have no idea what's going on in this live stream right now. And it really makes me wonder what is happening. If I'm missing something or if somebody else is missing something. Bones' fantasy football players have the vid too. By proximity, he's doomed. J-Bones, man, you better watch out for that. Moji is ruthless, man. He's ruthless. He says he don't care if you're sick or not. He's taking that fantasy football trophy. It's about 13.9. Well, 13.9. It would be a heavier than $700 loss right there. That would probably be about a $1,000 loss or a little more on today's decline in total BNB. So keep your eyes on that, Dark Bro. That might be why your coins come down, even if there are no sells right there. Made it on, guys. Not too coherent. Meds kicking in. Hence the sentence, Suzuki. Made it non, guys. Not too coherent. Meds kicked in. Very short sentences. I like it. But I don't know what it non is. I thought you were talking about QA anon or whatever that crap is. By Shib, can you advise me? Yeah, Nugent, I can absolutely advise you, man. If you are comfortable at these levels and you want to buy, buy. If you are not comfortable at these levels and you don't want to buy, don't buy. Look, never take somebody else's advice for your own. I'm not buying any Shiba Inu coin right now, but that does not mean that you can't buy Shiba Inu coin right now. It is 100% personal. Some people could go in there, add and add and add and add. They're just on a strict and very stringent dollar cost average. They go in every week and they buy $20 worth. They go in every month and they buy $20, $100 to $50, whatever it is. They do it on periodicals. Your strategy could be every time it loses 5%, every time it loses 10%. You go in there and you buy. It is 100% personal. So if you are comfortable with it right now, absolutely, man. You don't have to justify your decision to anybody other than yourself. Dragon is a coin on Solana. It was my post above the description of the coil drag. Gotcha. Gary, man, I knew I was missing something there. I actually bought some Solana last night at $99. I'm currently up on it. It's at 104, but I don't intend on holding Solana. I moved it over to a Soulflare wallet, and I'm going to start messing around with some of those Solana meme coins. So if you guys got any, which 5% increase overnight, it's not bad at all. And it's already down from 108 this morning down to 104. So Solana is definitely moving. But I didn't intend on holding Solana anyway. I'm going to mess around with some of these Solana meme coins and have some fun with them. So if you guys know of any fast movers, or if you're sitting there this weekend hanging out on Dex Tools and you see one that starts ripping or whatever, don't be afraid to throw it in the Discord. I don't always answer in the Discord or anything like that, but I do get notifications all day long with you guys posting in there, and I read the notifications. So I will absolutely see if you guys are posting or talking about something. Moving on Solana. Yeah, I'll come up here and I'll try to take a look at it and see what's going on and maybe grab some or trade some or whatever. But yeah, bought some Solana last night and it actually turned out very well. Literally, if you would have bought any other token, you'd be down right now. But buying Solana, let's see where we're at this morning. Solana's up 4.68%. All right, 103.50. Yeah, show me 103.92 in my wallet. But 104 right now, so that's about right. 103.92 there, 104.57 here. That'll probably jump up if I refresh it. So, yeah, guys, Solana not doing too bad at all. But this one, this Analos coin right here, I don't know if I missed out on this one or if it's getting ready to jump back up as well. But this was down to 22 yesterday. This was down here to 22 points per coin and already back up, doubled from right here. This coin got listed on KuCoin a couple of days ago, ripped up, and then people selling off, taking their profits on after it was listed on KuCoin there, coming back down to test this level of support that it was basically listed at here. I don't know where it's going to find its base at, but not bad at all, bouncing up it was about a 200% gain here, from 25 all the way up to like 69 or something this morning. 61 here. No, it was above 61 on KuCoin. So that's another one that I've been looking at as well. Don't own any of that one, but sitting on my Solana, ready to go have some fun with it, hopefully this weekend. Don't mind the pockets of Shitoshi the Shyster. Never, man. Yes. Honorarium run up 1 to 24. Let's make it happen, man. What happened to the market? I can't go and take these pills and doze off without you guys breaking everything. Oh, wow. Yeah, Suzuki, man. What's really going on with John? We'll talk about Terra Luna Classic in a second here. Suzuki, my best guess as to what's going on with the market today. Tax loss harvesting, and you're probably, you'd have to be holding crypto for quite a while to be tax loss harvesting, if that's what you're looking for right now, because it's basically done nothing but go up all of 2023. But tax loss harvesting and profit taking at the very end of the year, you guys got to remember today is the last trading day of the year for the stock market and for a lot of traders who don't trade on weekends. So that would be affecting prices. That's my guess as to what's affecting prices today. I haven't seen any direct news that says, well, you know, the current administration decided to ban cryptocurrency, therefore it's down 2% today. I haven't seen anything like that. So my best guess is profit taking and tax loss harvesting at the end of the year. Dollar cost average every week on stocks and crypto. Bruh Cloud TV, man. You know what? That is, you might not make as much as traders doing that. Certainly not going to lose as much as traders doing that, as long as you continue to dollar cost average into either like overall markets or coins or stocks that are going to be around. Clearly, if you're dollar cost averaging into something like Molinado or Farmy or something like that, AMC at this point, you are basically going to be sitting on losses and nothing but losses. But overall market, that is the only proven strategy that is essentially guaranteed to work. Now, I say essentially guaranteed, put a little asterisk by that guaranteed word, because it is guaranteed to work based on all of the historical data up until this point. Clearly, tomorrow Armageddon could break out and it's no longer guaranteed to work. You can't guarantee its future performance. You can only guarantee its past performance. And dollar cost averaging into the overall market, or these giant blue chip stocks and blue chip companies, has been a proven method, because these over time they continue to hit higher highs. So yeah, not a bad idea, bro, Cloud. Watching two massive golden eagles hunting river otters in my back. What the heck? Bring me one of those river otters, Kombu. I want one. I see videos all the time. These guys hanging out with otters. Kombu, please send me one of those. You got my P.O. box, man. Send me one of those river otters. I need it. Buy $50 worth of Shib. Lunch. Kenneth, holy crap, man. If you're eating $50 worth of lunch every day, no wonder why you got a 2X. Big dude, $50 worth of lunch every day. Doge about to change to Ethereum and Bitcoin. Not a bad idea, Ken, bro. You could probably free up a lot of money if you weren't eating $50 worth of lunch every day, though. And hopefully that was long enough for you guys to realize, like, Kenneth, I am messing with you. Or Ken, bro, I am messing with you. I know you meant to type in lunk, but you did type in lunch. So, Claybro knows it. No, I'm not ignoring you, Kombu. I just told you to bring me one of them otters, man. Just told you to bring me one of them otters right there. Kombu got National Geographic in his backyard, and AMC Trapper! Boom, baby. AMC Trapper. I really wanted to send you a sweater for Christmas, but I haven't seen you in months, man. I was thinking about you. I was putting all those things up, and I said to myself, dang it, if AMC Trapper was in that live stream, AMC Trapper would have won one of these sweaters for sure. But you weren't in the live stream, AMC Trapper, and you didn't win a sweater. I can't just be sending out sweaters all willy-nilly to people I'll never see again. Trap, man, I'm so glad you're in here right now. AMC Trapper, a 30-month bro, saying happy holidays to Clay, bro, and the family. Merry Christmas and a happy new year to you, AMC Trapper. Dang, man, it's good to see old names in here. I love it. I just clicked the click button. Very good, Kenneth. I like it. Thumbs up to General Clay, bro. John Murphy. I like it, man. Don't forget to click that thumbs up ever. You think Lunk will go to the moon? Ahmed Nader, Ahmed, do I think that it will? Let me put it this way, okay? The probability of Terra Luna Classic going to the moon is, I would say, less than 50%. So it is not probable, in my opinion. Now, because it is not probable, in my opinion, I believe that that's a higher risk sort of an asset. Therefore, higher risk, typically higher reward. It does have a chance, but it's got less of a chance of going to the moon. It is going to be heavily reliant, not as a meme coin and size of the community, but it is going to be heavily reliant on whether or not these kids can actually develop and rebuild the Terra Luna Classic ecosystem of stable coins and so on. My personal opinion is that these kids are going to give up. That's my personal opinion. Money dries up. They don't get their spend proposals. Everybody wants to quit, go home and cry, and give up. I'll tell you right now, that is absolutely not what it takes to make a breakthrough. You cannot give up in the face of adversity. You cannot give up in the face of hardship. You cannot give up no matter what if you want that breakthrough to happen. So, in my personal opinion, they're not going to have what it takes to make Lunk go to the moon and restore itself to penny, dollar, and so on levels by reducing the supply and restabilizing USTC. Hopefully, I'm proven wrong on that. But to me, that does not mean that Terra Luna Classic can't reach some sort of a meme coin status with all of the lunatics out there buying into it. And if they do that, yes, billion, $5 billion, $10 billion valuations in meme coin status, to me, those are possible, right? I don't think these kids have the tenacity that they need in order to really break through and revolutionize DeFi. But I do think that Terra Luna Classic's got a crazy enough user base that it can see the meme coin type gains. Ken Bro, look at me go. Yes, Ken Bro, man. Thank you very much for having that green name for 13 months according to YouTube. Absolutely appreciate that, man. I will always look at you go, Ken Bro. $50 on lunch. $50 on a bro sweater. Nice. Ken Bro, man. And I don't have it up anymore. I don't know where my Discord link went. I might have closed it, or it might just be minimized. But yeah, Ken Bro rocking, Gorilla rocking. You guys looking good in those bro sweatshirts, man. Loving it. Clay Bruh. Ooh, Bruh Cloud. I see what you did there, man. You took that bro, turned it into a bruh. Honorarium will go to the moon. Heck yeah, I hope Honorarium goes to the moon, man. Congratulations. Dang, man, Kombu is quick today. I like that right there. Lunk needs to burn. Terra Luna Classic absolutely does need to burn. Lunk needs to burn. And you know, I don't know if USTC necessarily needs to burn and all that. I'll say this, right? It would be nice to restore value to the guys that own USTC. It would be nice to see a 30x increase and get back up to that dollar valuation. But at the end of the day, all we're really looking for is a stable coin. At the end of the day, it doesn't matter if people are transacting in 1 USTC per dollar, or if they're transacting in 100 USTC per dollar. You see what I'm saying here? The algorithm could theoretically peg that stable coin at any level. It doesn't have to be at $1. It could be at a cent, a tenth of a cent. It could be. Yes, you might have to give up some value there. Yes, you might have to. But is it worth it to have that stable coin? Everybody always wants to 30, 40, 50x their money, but everybody doesn't always want to sacrifice something in order to build something even bigger. Moji! Man, AMC Trapper, I haven't seen a banana in a long time. You come back, and we got that banana. You tilt the head back, you lick that banana, stick that banana, and you got to make sure you maintain that eye contact the entire time. Moji, man, thank you very much for the super chat. Thank you very much for the banana. And we know why that banana is coming on the screen right now. It's because we've got AMC Trapper in the chat. Okay, buy Luna or Lunk. What do you think about Luna? Ahmed, man. If you're talking about like Luna 2.0, I don't care about Luna 2.0. In my opinion, ooh, Dark Bro, give me 2 seconds. Ahmed, I don't necessarily like Do Kwon and all of the original developers. So, and if I'm choosing something to invest in, I'm either choosing to invest in the community or what the actual project is doing. To me, Luna 2.0 has neither one of those. At least Terra Luna Classic has a crazy committed community. They might not have the developer skill and determination to take it to the next level, but they do have they've got the crazy community behind them. Guys, I'm going to put it on the screen again for Dark Bro since I missed it right there. Dark Bro! It's coming after Moji. I think I clicked the button. Is it going to come on the screen? Is it going to come on the screen? Come on the screen. Where is it, man? I clicked the button. There it is. Dark Bro says Honorarium will go to the moon. We're here to stay and no rugs are allowed. We may experience dips, but people will FOMO into it, and a day will come when people say, boy, I wish I got in. Boom, baby. And he's right. Guys, Honorarium has done phenomenally so far. So just a brief overview of what we got going on right now. A little recap. Shiba Inu coin sitting at 1040 points per coin right now. 1039. It is steadily on its way down. Bitcoin kind of doing the same thing, sitting at $41,800 on Bitcoin. Steadily on its way down right now. 9-cent Dogecoin, 2300 Ethereum. We're sitting here at some thresholds, hopefully able to hold up above support. But let's go take a quick look at Honorarium here. Hold on. We got to come out here. Kenneth, man. Kenneth Hooten, Throwing that green name out there. Who's he go to? David Cooper. Is it Stephen Cooper's brother? David Cooper grabbing that green name, man. David, if you are in here, please say thank you to Kenneth. All of you guys, please say thank you to Kenneth, man, for throwing that green name out there. And we got another one. Dude, Kobu's getting overlooked like crazy. Dude, even Remy's in here. Remy, I haven't seen you in forever either, man. Let's see. Who needs Kombu homegrown? Yes. Who does need it? But Simple Jack. I have no idea where some of these names are coming from. Simple Jack. If you are in here, you won a green name. Please say thank you to Kenneth. I'm pretty sure Kombu cannot get not enabled after all. Yeah. Kombu thinks he's enabled, but he's definitely disabled right now. And Simple Jack grabbing a green name. I don't even know if I've ever seen Simple Jack in here. But Simple Jack grabbing a green name, and so is David Cooper. Kombu, I am very sorry. Kenneth, I am very grateful. So thank you guys very much for that. And yeah, man, I don't know what we're doing with Kombu there, but he's not a green name boy right now. He's a gray name boy. All right, let's see where we're at here. We have Dex Tools open. We got to go over to Honorarium. All right, HRM on Dex Tools brings us to Honorarium with oh, dude, look at this number right here, 1111. Make a wish, ladies and gentlemen. Make a wish. Honorarium is up 2.52% today. $13,000 locked in the liquidity pool. Market cap $116,000 right now, and is still remaining elevated. I know it doesn't have as many trades as a lot of these other coins, but if you look at the daily chart, Honorarium has done very, very well to maintain these elevated levels, and for one reason or another, it loves this level of resistance right here. People begin to sell off a little bit. The price begins to come down a little bit. Every time it reaches this 11, 12 point per coin range, it begins to drop back down. So question is, will it remain elevated? Will it stay in this channel? Or will you see a little bit more of a dip back down like you guys saw back here? And then, of course, you guys went on a nice little buying spree and ripped it back up higher. So that is the question. But look, we got 101 holders now, man. The amount of holders continues to grow very nicely on Honorarium. I tried twice, Kombu. Yes, you did, Kenneth. And I thank you very much. Kombu's just sleeping, man. He's just sleeping. A wormhole. I believe it's just bought on a different chain like BNB. Yeah, so it's like a wrapped version franchise. It's like a wrapped version of wormhole of a token is like a wrapped version of another token. Feeling bullish on Starl. Jacob. Starl. I don't think I know Starl. Oh, we got Star. We got it. Dude. I don't know. Yeah, you could be bullish on Starlink, right? But any coins like this that just try to take advantage of the popularity of something that is not theirs, I would be a little skeptical of. So during the 2021 bull market, Starlink was ripping. Yes. But since then, hit all-time lows. It is up nicely at the moment. I believe that's a 3x. Nah, dude, that's like a 6x gain from these lows right here. Like a 6x gain from those lows right there over the last couple of months. Yeah, dude. 0.005. That was a 10x. That was above a 10x gain when it peaked up right there. And now it's back down to like a 6x gain. So, dude, if you got in any time in July through September, man, you're absolutely ripping right now. Let's see. Oh, wow. 1111. John Murphy, man. You better make that wish right there. Hopefully you wished for more Honorarium, because you can make it happen. All you got to do is go out there and grab it. Spread the word. Tell everybody $25 starting point. No risk. No risk. High reward. Well, dude, theoretically, can't tell them there's no risk. There should be no risk of a rug pull. But you got the BNB risk, right? BNB could tank in price. And the price of Honorarium would go down because there'd be less dollars in the liquidity pool. Hey bro, check out ESPR stock this past month or so, up 75% here, average at $1.74. I'm holding. I think it's going back to the 460 as test suit. If it breaks there, Moon City, baby. Let's take a look, real. ESP. I don't think I know what ESPR is. ESPR. Esperion Therapy. Ooh, yes, it's looking good. All right, let's see what we got here. Man, dude, 70 cents back in October to $3.05 right now. A beautiful graph over the last couple of months. Dude, you jumping in that $1.70 area, I mean, that was a nice jump coming back into this resistance. Sure, as soon as it broke out, though, very nice move higher on that breakout. Yeah, dude, a lot of people are probably expecting a gap up back into the $4 area or potentially even back up into this $6 area. So take a look at that, man. There's been a lot of losses, okay? But this is an example right here. It did gap down heavy from 25 bucks all the way down to 20 bucks here. And it started to move a little lower intraday, 18, but then it filled that gap. I mean, it came back up and filled that gap right here. And with how many losses there's been, you could probably see a lot of gap fills. This one gap down here, came back up, filled that gap, went from $42 to $24, nearly a 50% decline, and then bounced back up to the $42 mark. So this stock has been, this one here, dude, I don't know if this gap theoretically ever filled, ripping down from 70 bucks to 36. Best it seems to have gotten here was back up to 61. I don't know if it had after hours action that brought it back up into that area there or not, but gap fill city on this stock right here. So I do hope you gap back up, man, or fill that gap back up to the $4 range, and then I hope you fill the gap to the $6 range if you're gonna be staying in. Don't let it fall on you though. All right, you've got a beautiful trend going on right now, but the overall trend, I mean, you can see, right? The overall trend. This is a weekly graph. It's overwhelmingly down. And when it falls, boom, falls fast. So don't let it erase those gains on you, man. You're doing great right now, and I would hate to see any gains be erased there. Where are we going, Mochi, my brother? What's up? What's going on? AMC chat. That was supposed to say low risk, not. Sure it was, Dark Bro. Low risk, no risk. Yeah, they rhyme, so who really cares? You should about saying more honorarium together in that order. I should about. I don't even know what we're talking about, Kenneth. I should about. It makes it sound like a competition. Nothing's a competition. What's a competition? What I missed? I don't even know. I missed it too, guys. Let's see. He said more honorarium. I made a joke like sanatorium. Oh. I didn't get the joke, Kenneth. I didn't get the joke, man. I'm one of those guys that you got to explain some of these jokes to. Anyone seen Dark Bro? Oh gosh. What are we doing now, man? Are we pretending Dark Bro's invisible? I'll pretend Dark Bro's invisible if you want. I mean, I will, if you guys want me to. Hey, Clay. Mr. Vamp. What? Oh, this one. What's going on, Mr. Vamp? What is DB? Dirty boy? Dark Bro? Dark Bro. I don't know where my mind just went there. Dirty boy. Dark Bro. DB is Dark Bro. Yes. Thanks, Clay. For sure, we'll lock in. Good deal, Gorilla. Good deal. Dude, when you guys make gains like that, literally think about it. If you guys sat on gains like that and never let them disappear, everybody would have so much stinking money it wouldn't even be funny. It would be crazy. AMC Trap, my internet's being dumb right now. Just confirm my technical analysis as well. Perfect, Gorilla. You know you're doing something right then, my friend. Remember the guy Dark Bro used to be in here all the time? I do, Kombu. What happened to that little fella? JB! Do we get so many 30-month member chats coming in here today? Clay, have you heard of this token? Honorarium. It rings a bell. It rings a bell, JB. It's ringing a bell. HRM. It's honorarium, right? Pretty sure HRM is honorarium. Yes, I have heard of honorarium, and honorarium is doing very well, maintaining that $100,000 market cap. Chilling, just waiting for some moves. Mr. Vamp, I don't blame you, dude. It's the best way to get through the stagnation periods. It's just to chill, relax, and know that those moves are going to come. And you're going to be ready to make them when they do come. Rebooted, suckers. Yeah. Now DB's back, darn. He's back and we can't ignore him anymore. Let's see here. Clear it up. BitF is spicy too. I got it in $1.20. Bitfarms Limited, 142%. I imagine, Gorilla, that Bitfarms is probably down today. Because I saw Marathon Digital and Riot were both down like 10% this morning. They're probably down even further now that Bitcoin has just done nothing but continue to come down. So, real quick look at Marathon Digital. Yeah, 16% loss today. 16% loss today. Dude, could be on its way back down. This is the next level of support, $19 here. So, watch out for that. But with Bitcoin's pullback, Marathon is getting ripped and Riot is getting ripped. 14% loss in Riot today. Double topping at that $18 range on Riot. Could be on its way back down to $9 a share. So just watch out for that. Bitfarms, though, I imagine, is down pretty heavy today. Should be. Yep. Bitfarms also down 13% on the day today. Could be heading back down to that dollar range. So please keep an eye on that. Next level of support for Bitfarms is $2. They get a positive book value. They got EPS. Where's their earnings per share? Oh, earnings per share. Okay, so they're losing money right now. But Bitfarms, apparently another Bitcoin mining company that's out there, and they're performing just the same as Riot, Marathon Digital, Riot Blockchain, and Marathon Digital are right now. Which is expected because Bitcoin is getting hit very hard today. Bitcoin going from 43,000 to 41,700. And just to bring it to your attention, if it does break through this little horizontal line that it's at right now, tapped it. If it falls, this is probably going to be a pretty big candle if it falls through this line right here. So just keep that in mind, that it tested this support, tried to come down and test it again, testing it right now. If it breaks through, probably going to see a pretty big purple candle. If it bounces off, hold on. If it bounces off, then, good. We're finding some support there. But right now, Bitcoin getting hit pretty hard all morning long, actually. Been nothing but upper left to bottom right-hand side of the screen. Outdoor smile! Boom, baby! Let's go, brand. HRM honorarium. Yeah, we got everybody supporting honorarium right now. Outdoor smile. I love it, man. Thank you very much for 21 months of bro. AMC Trapper! AMC Trapper says, give me some of the behind-the-scenes footage. Oh, crap. It's moving into my ring light right there. I can't move since I'm plugged in. AMC Trapper, we got it right here. You got that inception going on right there. AMC Trapper with a little bit of behind-the-scenes action. There's really not much else that's behind the scenes there. AMC Trapper, thank you very much for the super chat right there. And the little tiny bit of a twist that I can move the camera here since it's plugged in. Appreciate that super chat and outdoor smile. I appreciate the member chat right there. Look at all these OGs showing off. Noise, gents. And I love it. Wait, you can ignore that. No. I will never ignore anything from anybody. Outdoor smile, even if you tell me to. Now I got Paul Chain tweeting about us. Nice, Dark Bro. Very nice, man. People have no idea what's coming. Well, I hope they have an idea, man. I hope they have an idea that you're going to see some gains. Gains that are so large, they make you want to go, those gains are so large. I want to go like that because those gains are so large, man. Dark Bro, thank you very much for the super chat. Appreciate you on that one, dude. And yes, I hope that people do know what is coming, and I hope they believe that gains are coming. Bitcoin's dumping, bro. Mario Joseph. Bitcoin is dumping off right now. Well, let me say this. Bitcoin is selling off right now. This to me is not a dump. Cryptocurrency is extremely volatile, right? 2% move in Bitcoin, we've seen much, much greater. I don't consider this a dump. You know, you look at the price action here, we're essentially just coming back to test this level that we've tested several times over the last couple months. So $42,000, $41,700 that we're at right now, to me is not a dump. If we were dumping back off below 40,000, I would consider that somewhat of a dump. If it was really tanking, like we saw basically all of 2022, to me, these are dumps, dude. Going from 38,000 down to 25,000 in a 1 week period, to me, that's a pretty big dump off. Treading water here at 30,000 and then dumping off to 17,000, to me, that's a dump off. So I know when Bitcoin is dumping, I know that that's what it looks like there. This could be the start of it. Mario could absolutely be right. This profit taking into the end of 2023 here could absolutely dump off and bring us all the way back down to support here at 29,000 or even 25,000 Bitcoin. So, yeah, Mario, you're right that this could be the start, but I can't call it that just yet with just this little purple candle right here. To me, it needs to be much bigger to justify the words dump off. And currently seeing a bounce off, $41,665, all the way back up $200, man, in 1 minute. $41,825 there. So Bitcoin on the move. Dark Bro, thank you very much for the super chat. Dark Bro says, we got wrecked. We got wrecked. We got wrecked. I'm doing one more, man. We got wrecked. If I break the chair, you guys gonna help me get another one? Because, I mean, I don't want to bring like a kitchen table chair up here. We got wrecked. Dark Bro, man, thank you very much for the super chat. And AMC Trapper says, I tried to flip these out, man, but they didn't flip out. AMC Trapper says, cool, man. Trapper is cool. Trapper's cool, man. Trapper is cool. AMC Trapper, you cool, my friend. You cool. You guys actually get a little bit better behind-the-scenes view in the sunglasses than you would on me actually turning the camera around. AMC Trapper's cool. AMC Trapper, Dark Bro, thank you for trying to break my chair. Didn't work. AMC Trapper, thank you for reminding everybody in here that they are cool, man. Yes. Would say it's not a dump, more like a refuel for the ETF release. Yeah, that could be possible, Mr. Vamp. I think it's just like an end-of-the-year profit-taking, end-of-the-year tax loss harvesting kind of deal. People are closing their positions out, getting their taxes in order, and all that stuff before being the last trading day of the year, right? So I think that's what they got. Not in crypto, but in the stock market. Clearly, they can trade crypto up until December 31st. Gary Gensler is the key master for opening the blockchain market. Dropped internet connection. Yes, but Gary Gensler is like a it's like a mafia key master, right? I believe that he does hold the key, yes, but I believe he is going to kind of release that key or turn that key when it benefits him and when it benefits the SEC. So, yeah, I think you're right on that. I just wish that it wasn't as lucrative for them as it is. Big dump before the biggest pump ever. Ow, ow, ow. You know what? I'm okay with that. I'm okay with that. If we do see a little bit of a dump off through the end of December here into January, people get hyped about an ETF, people get hyped about the Bitcoin halving and all of that stuff, and we see just a massive rally beginning end of 2024 there through 2025. Holy smokes, dude. Holy smokes. You know what? I actually do have a question. Okay, I do have a question. I would love to be an absolute crypto millionaire during the next bull market. Okay? Whether that be 2024, 2025, whatever. Let me ask you guys, because I do feel as though I am getting positioned for that to be realistic. Okay? I want to know if you guys think that that is realistic. I don't know what your portfolios look like. I have no idea. I want to know if you guys believe that that is realistic, or if you're going to need another cycle, right? What are your thoughts on that? Let's say 2024, 2025 bull market does happen. Is that something that you're shooting for, or do you think that you're going to need one more cycle for something like that to happen? What do you guys think about that? Break it, commit, dude. No, dude, I was actually hitting that chair pretty hard, man. It was like jarring my sight a little bit. It jarred my sight so much, I don't know if the camera got a little bit higher quality or if I can just see straight now. But I swear the camera quality looks better than it did before I was jumping into that chair. So I don't know if Dark Bro kind of made my vision a little bit better by wrecking my chair, or if somehow the camera quality improved as I was hurting myself. Don't make Clay break his chair, Dark Bro. We need this chair. Honorarium is the way. Yes. After the show, I gotta go wash my car. Is it warm out, Gary? Or are you gonna take it through the car wash? What are you doing? I believe not that much of a rally from February till April, but who knows? Well, Mr. Vamp, I mean, that's fine. I really don't believe the massive bull market's gonna come till 2025 based on previous cycles, but yeah, it is what it is. Oh, I think a lot of us are positioned for that. Moji, very, very nice, man. Can't say I believe it, but I am hoping. Good deal, Gary. Hello, Clay. Do you think burnings of Binance coming up will give new momentum to Luna? Omar, I think we are going to burn more than normal. I think we're going to burn more Terra Luna Classic than normal at the beginning of January here. Is it going to give it momentum? That's a tough one, man, because with the crypto market kind of selling off the way that it is today, I don't think that Binance burns are going to kind of allow Terra Luna Classic to buck the trend of the market. So if Bitcoin continues to sell off into the new year, I don't think that Terra Luna Classic is just going to be able to rip back up to 30,000 points per coin or anything simply based on Binance burns. But I do believe people are going to be excited because that number should be higher than it normally is. I would need another cycle. I'm still broke. And JB, listen, there's literally nothing wrong with needing one. I mean, think about that, though. There's literally nothing wrong with needing one more cycle either, okay? I will say this. I'm happy, right, with the 2017 cycle, okay? That was kind of like my intro cycle, and I did well in the 2017 cycle, but clearly there was a lot going on, and I felt like more of a noob, okay? I'll say the 2021 cycle, I did not do as well as I should have, okay? I watched a lot go up, and I watched a lot go down in the 2021 cycle. So I could have been much, much better positioned than I currently am with that 2021 cycle the way that it was. Broke? No, but just, yeah. That let's call that not a mistake cycle, but a lesson learned cycle in the 2021 cycle. So with that being stated, there's literally nothing wrong, dude. If it takes another 4 years, if you need another 4 or 5 year cycle or whatever after this bull market to reach that status, dude, just do it, man. There's nothing wrong. Like you guys, we've all learned so much over the last several years. There's literally nothing wrong at all with needing one more and positioning yourself for some strong gains, but some bigger blue chip kind of momentum and stability during that bear market. Don't be afraid to take some profits, and don't be afraid to buy back in on the way down. We know that this market is cyclical, okay? Don't ride it up and ride it back down. That was what 2021 was, for riding up and riding back down and making some mistakes there. We're not going to do it again. Not selling my honorarium. Take Scrooge McDuck type bath in silver quarters. Kalido Farm, man. Clean the quarters before you do it, though. You probably get all dirty. Text time. I'm loading up on crypto. Nice, Dark Bro. If the signs goes right in 2024, the third one again to have the runs, but like the last one, it starts in mid-April. And Mr. Vamp, yeah, 2025, however, would be the peak of the rally based on the previous cycles. Doesn't guarantee that that's going to be the peak of the rally or not, but yeah, you're on the right track there. Every dump makes a train for whoever is all in and holding positions. Heck yeah, Gizmo, man. Bro, I don't think any of us did well then. And that's fine. I know a lot of people in here specifically, though, came in during the 2021 market as well, okay? I know that you did. It's all learning. You got to look at it as lessons learned. So even if we don't, dude, even if this cycle doesn't pan out and we're not all sitting on $5 million worth of Bitcoin or whatever by the end of it, dude, you're going to know so much that you really only have yourself to blame for not putting it into action during the cyclical nature of this market. And it doesn't have to be, dude, so much money that you guys can't go out and buy groceries or anything. But dang, man, position yourself with what you know. Trust in yourself a little bit. Luna and the other tokens was ruled a security. Oh, Luna and a few other tokens was ruled a security. Pudgy, are you saying today or when? As long as I can make 300,000 to 500,000, I'm good. I'll load up for the next cycle. Dark Bro, I hope you get it, man. Federal Aviation Administration coming in for dude. Yeah, could you imagine if AMC squeezed what position we would be in right now, though, too? If Adam Aaron didn't come in and take all of these kids' money? My God, dude. Clearly, the only dude I know that can go from complete dad-type figure in finance and then choke a banana down. There's no choking, Khalito. There's no choking. As you've noticed, I don't ever choke on that banana. Anyway, I'm definitely a noob, and I'm using every minute of mental capacity to learn and try to get decent positions, but I'm not feeling quite confident yet. And Jacob Young, absolutely no problem with that either, man. Absolutely no problem with that. One of the best, and this is going to sound bad, right? But one of the best ways you're going to learn and remember it for yourself is the experience. So I can tell you about my experiences, my thought processes, why I did or did not buy, why I did or did not continue to load, why I did or did not sell, and all of these things. But it's going to be a different mental process for you. You know, watching the 2018, 2019 bear market, it was a little different for me. I wasn't obviously making videos on crypto or anything like that, so I wasn't into it on a daily basis. And it seemed as though everybody was kind of getting out, dropping off, and crypto was a fad, like the news wanted you to believe. It is so much different, man, being into it every day and seeing everybody is committed. Yes, the ones who are here to stay are here to stay. But when the bull market comes and you've got this fresh inflow of brand new money joining the crypto game, this is going to sound bad and it might sound selfish, but this is what these whales are going to do. When that fresh influx of liquidity comes in and people are buying and FOMOing into the cryptocurrency market, you know, you might be selling on the way up, and that's okay. But they will be selling to that influx of money. That's the bull market. They're going to be selling into it. And then that money is scared money. So it's going to start pulling out very quickly. The prices are going to dump. And you're going to have a new group of bag holders. And they're the ones that are going to be learning and preparing for the next cycle. And they're the ones who are going to be sitting there waiting for the new influx during the next bull market. And it will happen as sure as the seasons change, because we have seen it cycle after cycle after cycle. Okay, the cycle would have to be broken in order for something different to take place. Let's see here. Yeah, I knew you guys would like that one right there. How the heck did AMC blow through all that money raised during the stonk run? Gary, went to your boy's pocket, man. Adam Aaron is filthy rich. Adam Aaron is filthy rich, dude. They didn't blow through it. They're sitting on it. Guys, it is past 1 o'clock. Get your names in the chat right now. We're going to do some shout-outs, and hopefully you guys enjoy your afternoon. Have some fun. Get some work done. Eat some lunch. Whatever you need to do. I'm going to plug my merch here in a second so you guys can see that on the way out as we do the shout-outs. And make sure to go check out the Amazon links in the description of those videos. Even if you just want to contribute to Shiba Inu Coin Burns, you don't want the bro merch, make sure that you still use these links, because anything purchased, doesn't have to be bro or Shib merch, anything purchased is going to accumulate a commission, which is then going to be used to burn Shiba Inu coin. So make sure that you guys share that with your family and friends. Get everybody you know on Amazon. We got a shout out to Moji, man. 1 o'clock. Enjoy your lunch. Outdoor Smile, man. Pudgy, see you later. Bender, enjoy a dropped internet connection. See you later, man. Dark Bro, AMC Trapper. J-Bones, baby. Dropped internet. Dark Bro, Mr. Vamp, AMC Trapper saying peace out to the diamond-handed apes. Dark Bro, Gorilla Invictus, man. Bender, peace out to you. AMC Trapper, see you later. Moji, Old Rounded, Dark Bro. J-Bones, baby. We got Pudgy, Gizmo, Gary, Crypto Cone, Raul Valdez, Reyes, Moji, all of you guys, you know what time it is. You want to say it with me, AMC Trapper and Dark Bro? Say it with me. Till the next time, hope to each and every one of you have an awesome day.